Guys, my name is Sharat Revi, and welcome to my channel, the AI Studio. So today we are going to take a look at Microsoft latest Copilot redesigned, and yeah, let's check it out. So what you need to do is go to the URL and type copilot.microsoft.com. So this is a redesigned Copilot UI where you can see that you can create picture. I'm going to create a picture here. So let's create a picture representing India. Okay, representing India. Let's see. Indian Independence Day. Okay, let's go for that. Indian Independence Day. Independence Day. Let's check it out. Okay, I'll try to create that. That's good. Oh yeah, it's coming. Yeah, it's good. But I like this one. Oh, this is a different one. Oh, this is Mumbai Gate, the gateway of India. Okay, let's take this picture, and you can see there are a lot of filters here. Let's try out this pixel art. Oh yeah, this is the pixel art. Looks good. Okay, let's go for this one. No, I'm not going to apply this change. In fact, I'm going to undo this one and try the next filter. Okay, so we can try watercolor. Let's see how it will come. So Microsoft used the designer tool for this one, and it's the model behind image creation is DALL-E, which is again an OpenAI product. Oh, this is good. This is watercolor. Oh my god, this is fantastic. Okay, I'm going to undo that, and I'm trying the next filter, which is block print. The block print is something related to the cloth industry. I think they use some printing techniques on clothes by using some wooden blocks. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is good. Okay, nice. So I'm doing again, and I'm trying this steampunk. It must be the relative of cyberpunk. Steampunk. Yeah, I don't know, maybe some other story behind that, but in my knowledge, I know only cyberpunk. Okay, so this is steampunk. Who is this? This is an Indian. Oh, okay, nice. That is also good. Okay, what is the next filter? Is a claymation. Okay, this is clay. The world is growing. Oh, this is good. This is the claymation filter. Nice. And let's check out the next one, which is art deco. Okay, I couldn't recognize this, but the costume and the art design is fantastic in all photos, by the way. All right, and last one is the low poly, which is going to be awesome. I think so. Let's see. Okay, so this is the pixel art style. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. Again, origami is also there, so I'm taking origami as well. So let's check it out. Okay, so this is the origami thing. Okay, nice, good. So but the gateway of India is order. I like steampunk, watercolor, pixel art. I think I will take the art deco because I like the costume. So I'll take this one. Oh my god, so this segmentation is there. Okay, you can actually click this girl and blur background. Oh no, I can try this one. Okay, I'm going to click this girl and blurring the background. Okay, that's fantastic. Sorry, that is fantastic. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, that's great. So you can see the gateway of India behind this girl and a lot of other people holding Indian flag, and this is awesome. This is awesome. Okay, let me download this one. Let's see. Okay, that's great. I can download this one. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. It's not clear, complete clear, but it's fine. It's fine. I like the costume, man. Come on, it's fantastic. Okay, so this is how you can create image by using Microsoft latest Copilot. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. If you don't like this video, please tell me what I need to improve, and yeah, I will learn and improve. Thank you.